Adversity does build character.
And my friend, he's...
As kids, we've never seen adversity because we've been so sheltered by our parents.
You don't know teenagers? Not yet. Let's fix that. Welcome to the secret life of teenagers.
It's not like till 45 their parents are going to feed them, right? They won't be like, oh mama, I want to go out.
No.
At 45 you
But
can't
the
call
thing
your
is,
mother
if
up.
you are in a position where you aren't earning enough, or maybe you're not getting a job, you know that at like 40 or at 35,
You have a safety net.
exactly, that's the entire point. If you don't have a house, you can move in with your parents. Your parents will never say no for food or like money or healthcare.
But you think the generation...
Yeah, but the whole point was to break that bubble where you're not living off your parents.
No, but you've gone to university for a reason. I'm sure you want to do something with your life.
No. We spoke about this last time. Backup of like, okay, and we know that worst case, if I don't get a job, if I don't do anything with my life, and I need food one day because I don't have the money for it, my parents will come in and be like, here.
Yeah, exactly.
Tara, that's true. And when I talk about Gen Z children, I am not just restricting ourselves to the privileged, so-called privileged section of society, but I'm talking about people in general, like everyone born in this generation who has a little bit of exposure, who knows that, they belong to this generation from various backgrounds. They all have some sense of security, right? It's different levels, of course.
But I do think that our generation, generally overall, not just the privileged sections, but generally I think we as a generation strive for more in life. I think the older generations did, they were like, we have this, we have that, we kind of got to live with it. Or,
To like survive.
But I think our generation, even like the ones who aren't as privileged, they go out of their way to make something of themselves, to help their parents out. So in that sense, I think we do strive more.
Yeah.
Mo.